Hello, this is Matt from Fostering LLC. In this video, we're going to go over the updates that we did to our Address Deconstructor program for it to be a little bit more robust and be able to split not just CSV files, but also Excel files, and you can actually pick what tab you want to do it. So I'm going to start here by showing a database sample that we've used in the past, but the program now is a little bit more robust and can take a few different variables to it. So in a typical file, this is pretty typical of like an Excel database that comes out. You'll have customer name and then, throws customer name in here plus the street, city, state, zip. And obviously, if you've got a lot of rows of this, it takes a whole lot of time to split it up. So in the new address deconstructor video, I'm going to show you how we do that. So let's go back. I'm going to choose a new file. Actually, let me open this up from scratch here. So open up the Address Deconstructor program. After you download it online, you'll get a download link, and this is downloaded to your computer. This isn't cloud-based, so it's free open source use for that. So when you first log in, you're going to choose File, but you want to check some of these settings. Street, city, and state are going to be checked by default, but just in case you don't have zip code or country in there, you can uncheck those or check those according to what's in this row that you want to split. So if we look at the row, we see that there is a company name in there, so we want to grab that name out as well. So I'll go ahead and choose our file. So I'm going to choose this database file, and you can do, like we said now in the new version, we can do Excel as well as CSV. Doesn't really matter. We'll click Open. Also the nice part, if you have multiple sheets on your Excel database, it'll ask what sheet, or I think we call it a workbook in here, a worksheet. So we want list 1, not list 2. We'll choose this worksheet, and then we're going to say what column do you want to split. So obviously we want the bill to. Go ahead and hit split this column. And just like that, we've got everything split up in a beautiful order. Obviously, if your data is very, we'll just, for lack of better words, we'll call it dirty, and you don't have address numbers in there, there's got to be some sort of sequencing, but if you've got a large database that you need to split up this type of data, it's going to be much easier buying the program. Doing that, maybe at 100,000 rows, you can get down to, maybe 90,000 left. So I'll just show you the process of copying this back into Excel. So go ahead and select your sheet. I just hit Control C or copy, Control C. I'll go ahead and paste it in here. As you can see now in our Excel spreadsheet, it's all broken up. I can change my headers. And then obviously this is really handy if you're doing any sort of merging to a like an address. If you're doing mailings, obviously you want, when you do a mail merge wizard, you want to be able to split all these cells up and not have them all at once. So hopefully this helps you. This is Address Deconstructor version 1.11. It's now available for purchase on our website. So if you go to fosteringllc.com, pull up our website here for the purchase instructions, fosteringllc.com, click on Custom Solutions. You'll see the Address Deconstructor right here. We do have an Ultimate Excel Tools that actually does a phone and a capitalization program. So if you need that, it does come with the Address Deconstructor. The Address Deconstructor is here. Simply click Buy Now. They'll be walking through the prompts after you complete your purchase. It goes through PayPal here. Go ahead, add to cart, complete your purchase, and then you'll get an email response with a link in there to download after you complete your purchase. So go ahead, do this, and we'd love your feedback. Hope this helps.